Based on diagnostic data, this device shows no critical failure.
But does that mean it works? This is Worth It Repairs, and today we're answering a serious question. Can artificial intelligence fix phones better than a trained technician?
Analyzing battery health. Reviewing temperature thresholds. Scanning crash logs and charge cycles.
Honestly, AI is great at this. AI only knows what sensor to tell it. It can't feel a loose connector. It can't tell you when the phone only fails sometimes.
No fault detected.
Exactly. We had a phone come in with no power, totally dead. Diagnostics said everything checked out, but when I physically moved the battery connector, the phone powered on.
Fast, consistent, optimized for known failure patterns.
Hands-on testing, physical awareness, judgment. AI doesn't shake a phone, it doesn't flex a cable, and it doesn't notice when pressure makes something not work or something work. AI sees data. Technicians see behavior.
Artificial intelligence enhances human capability.
AI won't replace technicians. Technicians who use AI will replace those who don't. If your phone fails, you don't just want a report, you want someone who knows when to ignore the report. You want your data saved. You want unnecessary replacements avoided. And you want the problem actually fixed. So, can AI fix phones better than a technician? Not by itself.
Artificial intelligence doesn't replace skill. It expands what skill can see. In computer and phone repair, AI turns uncertainty into direction. It shortens the path between problem and solution. When you learn to work with AI, you don't just fix devices faster, you understand them deeper. For technicians, creators, and builders, this isn't the end of repair. It's the beginning of a smarter tech adventure.
Using AI has completely changed how I repair devices, not because it does the work for me, but because it helps me get through to the truth faster. It takes the guesswork and the dead ends and the hours of troubleshooting and narrows down the path. I still do the hands-on work, I still make the calls, but AI handles that grunt work so I can focus on the solution. And that's been a game changer for how I fix phones, computers, and how I think as a technician.